Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, pag-usapan naman natin kung paano tayo makapag-start mag-impok ng pera. Marami sa atin ang nahihirapang mag-ipon dahil hindi natin alam ang reason kung bakit ba tayo kailangang mag-ipon. So before you start saving money, you need to know what are you saving for. Ito ba ay para sa brand new car, sa dream house mo, o kaya sa early retirement. So you have to set a goal para makapag-start ka ng mag-ipon ng pera. After identifying your goal, think about saving money just like with any other bill. Para lang yung nagbabayad ka ng electricity bill, a water bill, pambayad ng renta, internet, cellphone plan. If you think about savings in terms of a bill that needs to be paid, you're more likely to make the deposit and build up your savings account. Remember mga kapatid, the first commandment in personal finance is pay yourself first. Make it a habit to save first before spending the rest of your income. Hindi po tayo nagtatrabaho para sa mga bills natin. Nagtatrabaho pa tayo para sa atin at para sa future natin. After you identified where your money is going, so it's the time for you to open a savings account. So, mas maganda kung yung payroll account mo ay same din ng bank kung saan ka mag-open ng savings account para mas madaling mag-balance transfer. When you are saving money, never ever feel bad for yourself. At isipin mo na kawawa ka dahil yung mga kasama mo nag-Starbucks, nag-Burger King, nag-Chef Lau, nag-Vikings. Don't ever pity yourself, friend, dahil you're just forgoing the good things for the greater and for the better things in life. And that is the essence of saving money. Itong mga small sacrifices na gagawin mo will be nothing compared to the thrill of having your brand new car, your dream house, or watching your account or your savings account grow. Kaya kaibigan, 2019 na, kailan mo balak mag-ipon? And that is for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you learned a lot. Goodbye!